gets me every time.
Yo, what's going on, guys? It is your boy Ben and Sarah back again with a brand new video. Where's this? Hey,
Princesses in.
it's alright. Today's video is going to be charcoal black peel off mask. Basically, we're going to put this on our face, but before we do that, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, comment down below for other video suggestions you would like to see us both do in the future, and turn the notification bell on. And if this, let's say, if this video gets, we don't need to pluck a like number out there, just pick a number, random number.
100.
100 likes, and I'll put this all over my body, and let's see if it will hurt. Obviously, I'll wear a t-shirt and shorts, but you can put it everywhere else.
So basically, like you.
My face, arms, chest, like this bit, my legs, basically. Yeah. No, that'd be fun. But let's get right into it.
Right.
You want to put it on my face first, or do you want me to put it on your face first? I probably shouldn't have worn a white t-shirt for this.
Right.
Hey.
Tuck it. I know this is gonna look stupid, but like that.
Yeah, fine.
I do my face first, do your face.
Do you want it? Can I do mine first? I also
Do mine first, because
on myself. I've got white joggers on. Oh, just close that one off.
I'm not on my eyebrows.
I'm not gonna. Oh.
Don't be a knob.
It's horrible. That's on your hair, bro.
I can't see.
Yeah, no shit. You're gonna get in the mirror.
Ooh.
You done? Oh, it's quick.
What do you?
You haven't even done your eyebrow. If you don't want eyebrow,
Yeah, well, I'm not doing the
you might as
other
well
one
do
now.
Right. Yeah, I want you to do me.
I want to do you.
Yeah. That's my battle scar thing. It's right thick. Feels about as thick as me.
Extremely thick then.
Yeah, princess afterwards.
Yeah.
You put it straight off my eyebrow and I just felt it.
Look at me then.
Technical error, pick it up. Pick it up then.
It's alright.
It's not alright. It looks messy.
It's okay. It can stay like that for a couple of minutes.
Oh mate, my eyes are watering like mad, bro.
There you go.
Oh, why you not do that bit?
Because you got hair there.
So?
I didn't want to ruin your beard.
It's not gonna rip it out, is it?
You never know.
Oh, it feels right thick. You... Oh, so now we wait, right?
Now we wait.
Welcome back, guys. It has been now about
25 minutes.
25 minutes to 30 minutes.
Yeah.
And my face is completely hard. So I'm gonna start peeling. No, I'm not gonna start peeling. You can start peeling.
Ooh.
Owie.
I can't peel it. I can't.
I'll peel yours.
No.
Yeah, go on.
No, because you're going to hurt me.
I'm not, I promise. It's gonna work no matter what.
Ah!
It's gonna work no matter what happens. Yours is really thin, that's why.
I'll peel mine.
Your skin's so. Oh my god. Ow. This is like the dumbest video ever. Ah! I feel like it's brushing my head off. I think it's stuck. I can't get it off. How did you get it off? It's stuck!
Look at my eyes.
Oh, my nose is watering. Oh, it fucking stuck on me. I think it's still wet there. Yeah, a little bit wet there. Go on this side then. Oh, this side's done. Still my forehead. How do I start peeling it off? Ow. Ow. Does this shit even work then? Owie. Does it even work? Why did yours come off so good and mine didn't?
I peeled it round my face.
Ah! You put it on my eyebrow! Why do such a thing?
It does work.
Ew. Your face is mucky as hell. I feel like it's sellotape, man. It's stuck on me.
When you're peeling it off, it sounds like you're peeling. You know, like when you do wrapping presents and you're peeling the sellotape.
Yeah, and it's on my eyebrow. It's really bugging me. But this is basically, what do you think of it really? What was it? It was T-Zone's charcoal black peel off mask one. It's here, basically. This is basically what it was, or is. Well, how do you think? Do you reckon it works? I think it's hard, bro. It hurts. Fair enough, my skin feels a lot.
So if we look at mine.
You've got long ass hair there.
Yeah, because it touched my hair here. You can't really see any whiteheads through it, can you?
Ow. Ah! This bit really hurts. This one bit here. Is it stuck to an hair?
Was. I don't get how it says it's a peel off mask, because I've had different face masks and peel off masks and they come off in one. They don't come off in
Did we do it wrong?
bits.
We were supposed to add water or something.
No, it's straight out the tube, straight on the face. How to cleanse your face and pat dry. We recommend you steam your face for 2 to 3 minutes and prepare your skin with a hot towel for 3 to 5 minutes to open the pores. Maybe we did do it wrong. After pat and dry, apply a medium, even layer to areas prone to impurities like nose, side of nose, forehead and chin. Avoid eyebrows,
Yeah.
hairline and lips. Leave on for 30 minutes or until completely dry. Gently and slowly peel off the mask from outer edges and rinse off any residue. If it feels too uncomfortable to peel off, remove by rinsing with warm water.
That's what I need to go do.
May cause temporary redness and may remove some fine hairs. Use once or twice a week.
That's why you didn't want it on my eyebrow. Now my eyebrow is fucked.
So
I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you guys have got other face masks or whatever this crap is, if you've got other ones you would like to see either Sarah or me or both of us try, and then we can do. But oh god, it's coming out. Quick, get a lid back on it.
I think it's time for a shower.
Yeah. It was
How
good.
big my cheeks and nose are.
I know my face feels so smooth.
It looks like it's in my nose, but it's
Your
not.
face is pretty smooth now, though. Well, yeah, this has been Ben and Sarah. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Like I said at the beginning of it, about 10 minutes ago, please like, comment, subscribe. It will help this channel grow. And until next time, we'll see you all later. Goodbye.